Hey everybody, today's video is going to be covering SERE in a very broad spectrum. If you're clicked on this video, if you're clicked on this video to hear all the ins and outs of what SERE is like and what you're going to be experiencing during SERE and what you're going to be taught in SERE, this isn't the video for you. Click off and go find a different video. But first, I want to talk about the packing list. You're going to get this packing list well in advance. So don't be stressed about, oh, what do I need to bring? What do I need to buy? You're going to have plenty of time to go tighten up any loose ends that you'll have on the packing list. And they're going to give you a bunch of stuff at CIF for you to take. Highly advise you take those items. Don't take the things that your state gave you or CIF originally gave you. Take these things that they gave you. They give it to you for a reason. So they have something called G2. And what that is outside information about the course, and you bring it in there and talking about that stuff, they call it G2. Don't listen to any of it. If somebody told you something about SERE, forget about it. It's not going to help you, and it kind of ruins the course a little bit for you if whatever they tell you is accurate. So just don't listen to it, and if you do hear something, don't talk about it to other people while you're in the course. Let them experience SERE in their own eyes, in their own experience. Don't try and write their story for them. Don't take nice boots. So if you're planning on going and getting a brand new pair of boots, don't take them to SERE. They probably won't survive. I came out pretty good. My boots really didn't get destroyed. They're still usable. Still presentable. Threw them in the washing machine, scrubbed a little bit, some Dawn dish soap, and they were good to go. Also with the packing list, you're going to be given that packing list well in advance, like I said earlier, but bring some playing cards. You're going to have some time in the barracks to kind of relax and decompress for the day. Bring comfy clothes and plenty of detergent to wash your clothes. That's all I'll say about that. Ensure your finances are good to go. Put everything on auto pay. If somebody else is going to be paying your bills for you, brief them on how to do it, who to call if something's not working right, or if something isn't quite going like planned. Give them a contact person, either a SERE cadre that they can call you if like a blatant emergency is happening, or maybe a parent or somebody else that could have access to your accounts or any sort of means to take care of that thing, of whatever could happen. Because when you're in SERE, you're not going to have your phone. So you're not going to be able to call home and be like, hey, how's everything going? You doing good? Yeah? That's not going to happen, okay? And then bring cash. So the packing list will say bring cash less than $100, but they don't say why. Bring the cash. If you are on TDY for SERE, bring cash. Bring like 20s. Don't bring like a $100 bill. Just bring a couple 20s because you have an opportunity to buy a few things at the end of the course. If you are here for flight school, you can always go back and go buy it later. But especially for TDY, bring cash. That's all I really have to say about SERE, without getting myself in trouble and ruining the experience for you. So, yeah, if you are going to SERE soon, good luck, have fun, and yeah, it's a tough video to make. Enjoy.